Dear graduates, congratulations on this milestone that you have worked so hard to reach. We want you to know how proud we are of you, as is the rest of our campus community, for meeting the challenges of this difficult season. We know this day isn't what you thought it would be, and it's not what we had hoped it would be for you. While these virtual celebrations can't replace the physical ones, all of us here at Bluefield College do want you to feel celebrated. We look forward to gathering again and seeing you walk the stage on campus Saturday, August 22nd, for an in-person ceremony celebrating our traditional graduates. Today we are celebrating you, praying for you, and looking forward to seeing you soon. God bless.
Hello, Bluefield College graduates. You have navigated successfully through your degree requirements, and now with God's blessings, great opportunities lie before you. Congratulations! Let's go, Bluefield!
Congratulations, graduates. God has always taken care of you in the past. He'll continue to do so now and in your future. So be bold, be strong, and have faith.
Dear class of 2020, congratulations on a job well done and for finishing the semester strong. My name is Josh Grubb from the class of 2007.
I'm Laura Grubb, class of 2008.
And we're all super proud of you. Congratulations.
Go Rams!
Congratulations to the Bluefield class of 2020. Go Rams!
You did it, class of 2020. Remember, nothing can hold you back now. Go Rams!
Hi, class of 2020. The Wilson family just wanted to reach out and say congratulations. We're so proud of you. You guys have worked so hard on this accomplishment. You made us proud. I know you're going to make Bluefield College proud. And we wish you the best of luck on your next endeavor. Can you say congratulations?
Congratulations. Congratulations from A.D. Walker to the class of 2020. We are so proud of all that you've done, but we are even more excited about all the beautiful things that you will do as alumni of your illustrious Bluefield College. Wishing you all the best, and we'll keep in touch.
Hey graduates, we're so sorry you can't be here in person, but we're wishing you all the best virtually here from Bluefield College. We miss you, we love you, and we can't wait to see you in August for your graduation.
Congratulations, graduates.
Go Rams!
Woo! All our families here from our nursing family at Bluefield College and all the Bluefield people that have helped you. Thank you for all your courage and all your endeavors to get through this program. And we thank you and wish the best for you in the near future. If you need anything from us, please call us. We will help you the rest of your lives. Thank you and God bless.
Hey all you cool cats, kittens, and rams. Congratulations on your graduation. We are so proud of you and we wish you all the best.
Congratulations to our graduates. Just wanted to share a quick verse from Psalm 37, 23, and 24. The Lord makes firm the steps of the one who delights in him. Though he may stumble, he will not fall, for the Lord upholds him with his hands. Blessings on your future careers and jobs, and keep God in the middle of everything that you do.
On behalf of Bluefield College School of Nursing, undergraduate RN to BSN program, I want to congratulate you for your outstanding work, accomplishments, and dedication. We are all so proud of you, and we hope that God continues to light your path. Congratulations.
Felicidades a todos los estudiantes que se reciben en mayo 20, especialmente a mis magníficos estudiantes de español. Les deseo lo mejor en la vida, ahora y siempre. Y quisiera decirles que you did it, you made it. We are so proud of you. Go Rams.
Hi, I'm Zach Smith, class of 2008.
Josh Klein, class of 2009.
Matt Hamilton, Director of Admissions.
Hal Keene, class of 84.
John Blankenship. I married into the Bluefield College family. I'm the husband of Ruth Blankenship.
Dennis Harper, class of 71.
Congratulations, class of 2020, and go Rams!
Class of 2020, you guys did it. Congratulations.
Congrats, everyone. We are very sorry just like how this semester ended, but we're so proud of you guys and you did it, and I'm excited to see what your future holds. And yeah, good job 2020.
Congratulations, all of our students who are finally graduating. We hope and wish you all the best that God has.
Hey, Bluefield College Class 2020. Congratulations from the Campus Safety Department. We're all in this together. Stay safe. Go Rams.
Congratulations, Bluefield College 2020 spring graduates. Our prayers are with you as you begin a new chapter in your lives. Today is your day to celebrate you. Go Rams!
I wish you all the very best in your future endeavors. I'm confident that you will do well, and I bless all of you for a great and happy future. Thank you. Happy graduation. You've earned it.
Hey, Bluefield Class of 2020. The Mullins family just wants to take a few seconds to just say congratulations. We are so proud of you guys, and I know it's been a really tough semester for y'all, but really proud of who you are and what you've accomplished. And we just want to say congratulations!
Congratulations, 2020 graduates. Proud of you and good luck. Go Rams!
Congratulations!
This is Mike and Michelle White, and we just want to wish all of our 2020 graduates congratulations, and we're so happy for you and wish you all the best.
Congratulations and best of luck, 2020.
Congratulations to all May 2020 Bluefield College graduates.
And a special shout out to all the criminal justice majors and minors who are graduating.
We wish you the best as you go into the future. Make us proud.
And we so hope to be celebrating with you in person in August. Best wishes.
Best wishes.
To our theater graduates and to all the class of 2020.
We are so proud of all that you have accomplished.
But remember, this isn't the end of the journey. It's only the beginning. Godspeed.